Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. Microsoft just released the newest update to the Windows 11 in the dev channel. It is the it is the 22,000.71. It is the latest version of the Windows 11. It seems that Microsoft is releasing every small or major update weekly to the Windows insiders. Okay, so without wasting time, let's just go ahead and take a look at the new features. Okay, the very first thing is that Microsoft have added a blend-in mode to the right click. When you right click on it, regarding to the theme, it is going to change itself as the background. So to put it simply, they have added the blend-in option, or as they call artistic material. The other thing is that they have added the when you hover your mouse on the window that is open, now you can see that around the edges you will see that same effect that is applied to the right click option. uh, and there's also one more update, and basically that is regarding to the widgets, and unfortunately it is not available in the Pakistan that I have signed up these inside a preview account, but it's available for these countries. And this widget is regarding to the movie, and I think it will be attached to the taskbar, and when you right click on it, and it will directly take you to the Microsoft store to get the movie. Yep, there is also the other thing is basically Microsoft is testing with the split button, and that's all. This is basically, you can see that, yeah, these are the simple update to the Windows 11. However, there are many fixes that Microsoft have done in this edition of the Windows 11. Now you can see that how many are there. You can provide the link in the description. You can come here and see that how many issued that you mentioned have been fixed here. And there's also some small minor updates, and the thing is that when you open the start menu and right click anywhere, sorry, and click anywhere, it will go away. In the previous editions of the Windows 11 it is not possible. And there's also the other feature. If you right click on the file explorer, you can see that these windows will appear. However, if you hold shift button on the keyboard and then right click, and you can see that the old right click option will appear. So these are basically the minor update into the Windows 11. Now the question is how you can get this update. Okay, uh, if you have already installed the Windows 11 22,000.65 or 51 edition, you can just simply go to the Windows update, and from there you have to simply check for updates, and it's going to download the latest version of the Windows 11. However, if you are trying to install it for the first time uh, from Windows 10, you have to simply log in with the Microsoft account, and from there you have to choose a dev channel and download the Windows 11 Insider Preview version. However, if you are thinking that to create a to install it, sorry, to perform a clean installation, then you have to come here inside a site called intozoom.com, and here is I have pinned this post: download Windows 11 ISO image. And when you click on it, basically there are some methods mentioned here that you can use to basically get the Windows 11 Insider Preview image. Here you can see that basically this is the Microsoft official website, and the thing is that it will only upload the beta version, not the dev channel ISO. So when it will be available, I will also update the links, the screenshot here, and beside the link, the methods. And there's also another method that uudump.net. You can use this method to download the Windows 11 latest version, and everything is mentioned with the step-by-step guide. And finally, I have mentioned some download links here. Okay, now you can see that. Let me have to at first disable the ads, they are kind of bugging me. Okay, now the ads are now disabled. Basically there are not a lot of ads in the post, but again, okay, now you can see that basically here are download links. Here is the download link, which is 22,000.51 ISO image. And if you click on it, basically click on the download. It's going to download a txt file on the computer. Okay, why it's not downloading, I don't know. Yep, now it's working. There was something wrong. Again. Okay, to put it simply, now that this txt file is downloaded, now you can see that basically everything is explained regarding to the users who want the link to share with the others. And besides, here is the download link. It is uploaded in the Google Drive, and it is Windows 11 Pro edition. Just simply copy the link and paste it into a new tab in your browser, and then just simply click on the download and download this edition of the Windows 11. Okay, now you can see that this is the ISO. However, there is the other version. Basically, you can see that 22,000.65, 22,000.51, and then 65, they are available. These are taken from an Iranian website. Basically, it is divided into three parts: part 1, part 2, and then part 3. When you right click on it, it is going to download the that edition in the Windows. Okay, now you can see that this was updated in July 8, and this is the Windows 11 unlocked version. It is basically for the legacy computers. The thing is that Microsoft requires the TPM 2.0 and secure boot. Now, what is the Windows 11 unlocked version? Basically, it is by default configured using the answer file, in other words, the ADK that Microsoft have provided. Now, these ISO of Windows 11 is modified. It means that when you are trying to install the Windows 11 on your computer, it is not going to ask for the TPM 2.0 and a secure boot if your PC do not have them. However, if you use these editions of the Windows 11 that I have provided, basically they will ask, but this edition it will not ask. And besides, if you use this method, you won't have to use any of the bypass methods. The thing is that many users, they have commented on the video that how you can bypass. I created a video basically how to bypass the Windows 11. Yeah, there is the video how to bypass secure boot and TPM 2.0 in Windows 11. Unfortunately, they're saying that none of these methods is working. I don't think so, but they have not applied, basically used one of them, and that is a recorded video from Enderman that I have mentioned in the video. That is a little effect, that is effective, but the thing is that that is a little bit complicated, and it is used a lot of commands. Let me have to open the post. Basically, I have written that post and I applied that into my own computer. You can see that these are the method one, number one, and this is the method number two, which is mentioned here. Yeah, this is the method number three. Hold on a moment. Yeah, this is the method number three. It is kind of complicated, and a lot of commands have been applied one after another. You can see that. Then finally, after that one, and here I have also mentioned the video. Basically, you can fix the issue of running Windows 11. So in any case, if you see that this link is not work, sorry, these none of these methods are not working, then you have to come here and download the Windows 11 unlocked edition. As I said before, these links are in our Iranian website, and it is not going to work in every country, so it is blocked almost in most of the countries. But in those countries which is available, you can just get it from here. Just click on the part 1, part 2, and then part 3 and get it. That's all. So if you want it, just let me know in the comment section, so I should download it and then prepare it for you, so you can get these Windows 11 unlocked edition. So have a nice day and goodbye.